Welcome everyone, today we'll be drawing a cute cartoon toaster. Let's begin at the top center of our page with the opening of the toaster. We're going to start on the left side. Let's draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Now I want to place that slice of toast inside in an angle. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this up and over, go all the way over towards the right side. We're going to go up in an angle, bend that in, go back to the left side. Just going to round out the toast, come up towards the top, come around the right, and then in. Let's place the face inside. We're going to draw two small black dots, and then in between add a curve for the mouth. Now you want to round out the edge of the opening. Curve around, and just pull that in towards the side of the toast. Do the same thing on the right. Let's fill those two areas in black. Now I'm going to place another slice of toast in behind, coming down in the opposite direction. So let's start up here with an angled line coming down. Let's follow that line across the bottom. It's going to round out the side, going up and then in towards the top. And just like we did across the bottom, I'm just going to round out the left side, go up toward the top, round this out, and then pull that back in. Let's add a face inside. We're going to start with those two small black dots. I'm just going to add an oval in the center and fill that in. Now we're going to draw the back of the toaster in behind. So we're going to step up, draw a straight line going all the way out, line that up on the right side, round out the corner of the toaster, and come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's round out the corners of the toaster, come all the way across towards the right, and then we'll round that out. Let's add a seam across the bottom, straight line. And then you want to add the feet of the toaster. On the left side, draw a half circle coming down and up, and do the same thing on the right. Over on the right side, let's add in that handle. Draw two lines going out, close off the end with a curve. Now let's go in and add in the face. We're going to start on the left side with a circle, all the way around, and back up. And we want to leave a gap and draw that same size circle on the right. So we're going to line at the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. So add two small circles on the top left side of each eye for a highlight. Add two small circles along the bottom right. And they'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's add the mouth in the center. We're going to start with a straight line going across. Go back to the left side, curve the mouth coming down and up. Add a straight line going across the top of the teeth, and a curve across the bottom for the tongue, and it will fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and there's a cute cartoon drawing of a toaster. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.